Hi folks, this is my first YouTube video. Just going to give you a bit of an insight into my first project. It is an SL55 AMG car, big V8, one of the last. It's been sitting in this spot for about 3 years or so, three and a half years, something like that. Hasn't turned a wheel, so hopefully today we're going to get her uncovered, maybe get her outside, give her a wash, see if I can get it started. As many of you probably know, these Mercs have two batteries, one in the front, one in the rear. Notoriously common for them to go bad, and probably the suspension is sitting a little low, so I'll do my best to try and get her lifted up, hopefully with no problems, and we'll go from there. So yeah, let's get the cover off, see what we can do. Managed to get the cover off, looks pretty good. A wee bit of bird shit here and there, some bird poop, but pretty good for not being out of here in a couple of years. Really dirty, really dirty actually. This was my fault. really stinking. There's the donkey. Big old V8, supercharged, 5.4 V8. Not sure what horsepower there, 500 maybe. This is an 05 car, so slightly more than the previous, I think. But she's pretty good. She's straight up and down both sides. I know you can't see very well, but we'll pull it outside, hopefully, if I can get it started. Let's see if I can get inside. Yeah, it smells real German in here. Love these seats. Heated, cooled. I haven't drove this car in so long. Hopefully we're going to change all that. But first of all, she's going to really need a service. It's going to need a battery too, because as you can see, starting battery is missing. And it was bad before I think that the last time I had it out, it wasn't great, so I took it out. Going to have to get a new starter battery. Probably a new boot battery if I can find a way to get into it. Okay, so a bit of background on the Merc. I've had this car since 2015. I think it was February 2015. I bought it with, I think it was 51,000 miles on it. Absolutely bone stock. Only thing that I've changed is lowering links, which are set that's probably standard height at the minute. Now the back has sunk a wee bit. You may not be able to see, just all the stuff's in the way, but should be sitting a wee bit higher than that. Well, hopefully she'll come up, rise up. I think the accumulator blocks leak a little over time, but we'll hopefully get that sorted. Like I said, bought this 2015. It got pushed to the wayside, so it's been sat here for a couple of years. Hasn't been MOT'd in a few years. Just hasn't seen the road, so tires are still good. Pretty sure they have been on there for a while. 2012, I think that means, if anybody wants to clarify. Where is it? There. I assume that was December 2012 on the Michelin Pilot Sport 3s. They're both front and rear. Rear's wee bit low because I've had a lot of fun in this car, but she needs to come out of hiding. Engine wise, again, like I said, it's pretty much bone stock. I've no pulley on it, no nothing like that. Only thing I put I think there's two ram air filters. Other than that, just it was serviced easy, I would say 3 years ago, and it hasn't been started even since. So I'll maybe change that oil out, change the filter out. I did put a new tensioner on the supercharger pulley and a new clutched pulley.
Okay, so managed to get the garage cleared out. Most of my rubbish is now outside. I did find a battery. I've been charging it overnight. Well, I charged the wee one already, and big one is still charging at the moment, but hopefully the wee one will be enough to get this thing running. I'll try it, we'll give it a go anyway. Hopefully she fires up, we can get her moved out of here. Let's give it a go.
Okay guys, so battery's in, charged up. Hopefully it's still a good battery. If not, we'll have to go and get one somewhere, but let's see if there's any life in this. It's a pretty nice place to be. It smells leathery. Oh, that's a good sign. Windows down. It's on at 78,563. I don't know if you guys can see that. We have power. Probably hear the noise. It's the SBC pump. It's for the brakes. So, moment of truth. Will she start? Not a chance. No chance. It's not looking good for my battery, folks. See if I can stick the other big battery on it as well, just to see. No. No bueno. Take two. Woo! Doesn't sound too bad for sitting for 3 years. Lights on the dash. Sounds good, just as I remember. Now, make a bit of space out here, I think. And give her a quick wash. Looks really good. Sounds really nice, actually. For not having ran in so long. Suspension come up as it was meant to. That's good. Tires are a bit soft. But spiders have been living in here, I think. The bird poop. I'll sort all that out in a minute. There's a definite need of deep clean. A bit of a walk around, guys. Get a proper look at it. Massive heat pads. Actually put new discs on it not long before I put it away, so they're actually pretty good mixed up. Rears are good. You guys might like my plate. Oh baby. Oh yeah. Back tire's definitely soft. Ooh, that's interesting. That's new. Typical Merc. Just shows you even garage the still rot. Anyway, we'll give it a wash. See what it cleans up like. washed up. Bodywork is really good condition. Wee bit of rust in that arch, which is new. Didn't know that was there, but took her a quick run up the road. Drives great. Sorry I couldn't get any footage. I don't have a sucker for my GoPro yet for the windscreen, but I'll get one. Hopefully get some videos of this thing. Finish off these rear tires. There's really not much left on them, especially since they were flat. But if you've managed to watch this far, thanks. Like I said, this is my first video. Hopefully I'll have some new projects turning up in the next few days. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. Show me some love. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't. See what we can come up with next time. Bye guys.